Hi, hello, welcome to Masters Motivation. This is Shrikant and welcome to our channel. Today I am honored to speak about one of the greatest visionaries and social reforms of India, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, famously known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He was not only the chief architect of the Indian Constitution but also a relentless crusader for social justice and equality. His life is a beacon of hope and inspiration for millions who strive for dignity and rights. Let's delve into his journey, his struggles, and his unmatched contribution to society. Early life and education. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was born on April 14, 1891 in Meher, a small town in present-day Madhya Pradesh. He belonged to the Meher community, considered untouchable in the caste system of India. From a young age, he faced severe discrimination. He was made to sit separately in school, denied access to water, and cruelly subjected to humiliations. Despite these hardships, Ambedkar was determined to get education. His father, who was in the British Army, instilled in him the value of learning. His brilliance earned him scholarships and he completed his higher education at Elphinstone College, Bombay. Later, he travelled abroad to study at Columbia University, USA, where he earned a master's and a doctorate in economics. He further honed his expertise at the London School of Economics and also became a qualified barrister from Grace in London. Struggles against caste discrimination. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's return to India was met with the harsh reality of untouchability. Despite his high qualifications, he was not accepted into mainstream society. The Brahmins' dominated social structure continued to treat him as an outcast. One of his first major struggles was the Mahad Satyagraha in 1927, where he led thousands of Dalits to assert their rights to drink water from a public tank in Mahad, Maharashtra. This was a bold act against untouchability. A Dalit were denied access to public resources. Another important event was the temple entry movement. Dalits were prohibited from entering Hindu temples, and Ambedkar fought tirelessly to end this discrimination. He led movements to demand temple entry rights, notably at the Kalaram temple in Nasik. Role in framing the Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar efforts to uplift the marginalized sections of society caught the attention of national leaders. After India gained independence in 1947, he was appointed as chairman of the drafting committee of Indian Constitution. His vision ensured that the Constitution of India provided fundamental rights, abolished untouchability, and guaranteed equality for all citizens. His contributions in securing social justice through legal framework like reservation policies and labor laws, the Hindu Code Bill, had a profound impact on India's socio-political fabric. Conversion to Buddhism. Despite his efforts to reform Hindu society, Ambedkar realized that the caste system was deeply entrenched. In a historic move, he converted to Buddhism on October 14, 1956, along with thousands of his followers. This marked a new beginning for Dalits, seeking a life free from caste discrimination. Legacy and conclusion. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar passed away on December 6, 1956, but his ideals continue to guide millions. His fight against inequality, his dedication to education, and his efforts in nation building make him a real leader. As we remember Baba Saheb, let us pledge to uphold his values of equality, justice and education for all. His words still resonate today. Cultivate the mind but not the body. Give up the distinction between caste, creed, and consider yourselves as a human being. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel.